Hey all, I'm super excited because I'm taking you on an exclusive empty house tour of a brand new house here in Ireland. Welcome home! I am Manu Shivarajan. Welcome back to my channel, Kitchen Clicks by Manu. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future vlogs. Let's start with foyer or entryway. It's spacious and feels both welcoming and serene. And what I love about this space is the natural light flows in from the side windows as soon as you walk inside. Let's enter the cozy space, the living room. This living space is bright and open spaced. The windows let in so much of natural light, which is perfect for those cozy mornings. Speaking about late nights, I could picture dim lights, candle flickering, amber light around the room. It's going to be a perfect place to unwind after a long day, whether it's watching a movie or simply talking. We will definitely be spending a lot of time here relaxing and entertaining our guests. Next to living room, we have a water closet, WC. We call it here in Ireland. That is nothing but a half bath or a powder room. This WC has a basic fixtures, simple and yet functional. This door is the hidden gem of this house. It is the understairs storage space. This area is perfect for stashing away shoes, coats, or even cleaning supplies, making the entryway and the hallways clutter-free. And I love how it keeps everything neat and out of sight while being super practical. Now let's enter the heart of the home where all the magic happens. This is definitely one of my favorite parts of the house. This island right here is the standard feature in the center. I just love how much counter space it adds for the perfect cooking, baking and organizing get-togethers and much awaited parties. There is a storage space for everything and the special feature is everything built in. Right opposite to the kitchen, you have the dining space as well. Kitchen flows into dining. There's plenty of space here for a large table, making it ideal for hosting dinners and parties. Kitchen has another room. Come, let's check it out. This is called utility or laundry area, which may not be the most glamorous part of the house, but it's definitely one of the most practical area. We are done with the ground floor. Let's head upstairs to check out the bedrooms. We are at floor 1 and this has 3 bedrooms with 2 baths. Let's check out. We are near the stairways and we have a small room where the motors are fitted. Here comes the master bedroom. It's spacious but still feels really cozy. We have got big windows here as well, and this is going to be the perfect spot for relaxing or a reading nook. There is a built-in wardrobe on either side. Here comes the ensuite bathroom in the master bedroom. We are entering the guest bathroom, which has the cool bathtub. Let's check out the guest bedroom. It's really a nice size with plenty of natural light coming in, making it feel bright and airy. And it also comes with the built-in wardrobe. This is the third bedroom, and it can be converted into a kids' room or a home office space. Now we are up in the attic, which is such an exciting space with endless possibilities. It could be transformed into extra bedroom or entertainment of game room or a workspace. The last and the beautiful space here is the backyard. A beautiful open space that's perfect for relaxing and entertaining. There's a plenty of room to create a little outdoor space, whether it's a cozy seating area for summer evenings, a dining space for barbecues, or even a garden where we can grow our own veggies and flowers. That's the tour. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the empty space of the house. I have so many ideas for how to decorate and make it our own. So stay tuned for all of that in future vlogs. Let me know in the comments what you think of the space and if you have any suggestions for how we should style the rooms. See you soon in another interesting video. Until then, it's bye from Kitchen Clicks by Manu with love.